Hey, it's Dr. Spates giving you your weekly checklist for Com 512-617. I want to give you a few announcements and reminders for the upcoming week, which will be for Monday, March 9th. First, I want to draw your attention to completing Reflection 6. This is going to cover Chapter 6 in our course textbook. Or, if you would like, you can complete the survey and replace your reflection by participating in this research opportunity. For more information, go ahead and see the course announcements and click on the link that is included with that announcement. I also want to make sure that you continue working on part 2 of your final project. Remember, you should be looking for citations and completing an annotated bibliography, which will allow you to summarize your sources as well as explain the relevance for some of them if you're using something outside of academic journals or education-based sources. So keep that in mind that you're supposed to have at least 6. And make sure that they are all legit sources. You should not use someone's opinion website or something that is not truly a genuine source of information. Finally, keep in mind that you can always reach out via email and set up an appointment or ask any questions that you would like to. You can also set up an appointment for in-person or via Zoom conference. All of these are available to each of you, and you can use them as you would like. I'd like to finally end by stating that this course is celebrating Women's History Month, and we are proud and thankful for all of the contributions of women, not only on this campus and in the local community, but around the globe. And we hope that everyone celebrates along with the campus during this time. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Monday, March 9th.